Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a connected Nintendo system and a second device that can host Google. First, enable Wi-Fi on the Nintendo and prepare your phone or laptop for tethering. Once done, open the console browser or the hidden web view. Make sure your secondary device is signed into Google. Then create a portable hotspot or USB tether so the console routes traffic through the device signed into Google. This is the only reliable way to reach Google services from the Nintendo environment. Once your hotspot or tether is active, connect the Nintendo to that network. Verify by loading a neutral page to confirm DNS resolution. Next, open the system web view or any in-app browser area that accepts URLs. Then, from your phone or laptop, initiate a Google sign in if the console redirects or blocks authentication. Make sure to forward any necessary cookies or sessions from the tethered device. This bridges authentication because the console often cannot present Google. To finish, complete Google sign in on the tethered device while keeping the hotspot live, then refresh the console web view until Google content loads. Once working, save bookmarks or use short browsing sessions because the console environment can time out or drop cookies. If you encounter blocks, restart the tether, clear the console web view cache if available, and try a different phone or USB connection. Finally, make sure carrier tethering is permitted. Some providers restrict authentication flows and require alternative devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.